Peace. Sending y'all love, light, harmony, and balance. I'm sorry if you can't see me right now. You feel me? You feel me? I just wanted to talk about this right now. So this is why you can't see me. But anyways, this winter snowstorm that passed or whatever that we had on the east side, on the east coast, it was fake. It was done by the elite technology to keep us inside and away from nature and to block the sun, you feel me, so we can't get that. And if you don't believe me, you can look at the movie Spider-Man Far From Home or whatever it was called, because it shows you how he was using technology to control, like, to make it look like he was controlling water and he had clouds forming and all that. You feel me? It was done by his technology. It was showing it in our faces. That's how they control this weather. It's just an illusion. It's not real. You feel me? It's not real. The snow is not real. It's fake. But yeah, just wanted y'all to know that. Peace.